has kept us afloat in all the crises that are taking place. Today we are confronted by our ghost. The ghost of our inaptitude. The ghost of our not able to stand. Gold is now in the north. And the north is saying that gold belongs to them. The north is now saying that gold belongs to them. Yes, it's true that gold belongs to them. And nobody has right to take their gold. Nobody has right to take the gold of the north. If gold belongs to them, which is the truth, it's also true that the oil belongs to them. And nobody has the right to take our oil. You are saying that a gold refinery cannot be built in Lagos. So there is no need for a refinery in Kaduna. So you are saying that a gold refinery cannot exist in Lagos, which is true. It is primary economy, nearest to raw material. It produces nearest to raw material. So there is no need for the Trans-Moroccan pipeline, gas pipeline. There is no need for Dangote refinery in Lagos. There is no need for Olokola LNG. That's the truth. There cannot be two truths. Truth must be one. Yes. There can only be one truth. It cannot be two truths. You cannot say one is true in the north, another truth is different in Ijaw land.
Yes, sir.
This fight we are fighting, let us identify ourselves very well. When we fighting each other, we jump in. When they did not contribute. This is an Ijaw fight. The people who hate us say you must register to become Ijaw. Okay, but their own people are running from becoming them. You, people are running from you. We, people are solidarizing us. They are coming to join us. You, Ikwere said they are not part of you. Ekpeye said they are not part of you. Okwani said they are not part of you. This one said they are not part of you. But you are talking. But we, you said people are coming to register. That means you are better than you. Yes. How are you? Yes. Anybody who is including us in any map that we don't belong to, don't even bother our head. When the time comes. Boy!
So.
We struck past them.
And yes.
Eyes on.
Yeah.
It's on Kimemia. Koro ibutu we Namazikeya Koro ibutu we Namazikeya Ijose Koro ibutu we Namazikeya Koro ibutu Namazikeya Ijose Koro ibutu we Namazikeya Koro ibutu Namazikeya. Eyes on. Yeah. He's on Kimemia. He just said is very strong. How much
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.